and we have one little friend. Here he is. So he's gonna train now. He's gonna pose. Are you gonna pose? Huh? You gonna roll around? What else are you gonna show us? What's happening? Okay. I think he got camera shy. Alright guys, so today we're at the beach and I'm gonna show you a very effective way to target the abs using just a kid swing. Obviously you're gonna have to wait until the kids are gone. But before we do that, have a look at that view over there. So have a look at around. It's just beautiful. Alright. And now we're gonna skip all the tavernas here in Greece and we're gonna get straight onto the bar. So what I would do if I had something, obviously it doesn't have to be a swing, but all you need is just a bar or something that you can hang on to. You're gonna go there and you can do straight leg lifts, or if the straight leg lifts are difficult, you can do it with tech legs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and do straight leg lifts. Now, we're gonna give our arms a bit of rest and we're gonna go down on the sand and we're gonna do some mountain climbers. So we're gonna go on our front support and here we're gonna do mountain climbers. Hands. And now we're gonna go again on the bar and we're gonna do windshield wipers. Those ones are super effective. So we're gonna go up. And now we're gonna do again mountain climbers. So we go down again, 30 seconds. Shake the hands, get that sand off with the hands. have a quick rest now. We're gonna get 30 seconds rest and we're gonna repeat all those exercises one more time. Here he is. So he's gonna train now. He's gonna pose. Are you gonna pose? Huh? You gonna roll around? What else are you gonna show us? Okay. I think he got camera shy. Okay. Oh well, our little friend left us and now I just have to continue and do the second round of the workout. So let's get back onto the bar. I'm gonna give you a bonus exercise now. So if you have that type of swing, the one on the chain, what you can do is do a front support in front of it. Example. But if you want, you can do your workout pretty much anywhere.